Okay, we are now here around Canary Wharf. We want to show you the area Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf is a busy district in the east of London city centre and has more to offer than meets the eye. Its many skyscrapers reflect the sun and the sky. Its bridges are architectural works of art, and its distance from the centre of London gives it a calmer and more amiable atmosphere. There are many places to discover in this area for sure, but today we are just going to visit the Museum of London Docklands and Mudchute Park and Farm, also Crossrail Place Roof Garden. So let's walk slowly to the museum. We are at London Docklands Museum. There is no shortage of fantastic museums in London, but today we want to champion one of our favorites, Museum of London Docklands. You may well have already visited the main Museum of London, but this Docklands branch is very much deserving of your love too. Containing fascinating insights into the area long history as a port, alongside modern-day developments and some brilliant full-size replicas, is a great day out and extremely family-friendly. The Museum of London Docklands is a museum on the Isle of Docks, East London, that tells the history of London River Thames and the growth of Docklands. Discover a wealth of objects in the state-of-the-art galleries, including Sailor Town and atmospheric recreation of 19th century London. Also learn about the city's involvement in the transatlantic slave trade at London Sugar Slavery Gallery. Right now we are at Crossrail station. Crossrail. Just came to Crossrail Place Roof Garden. Peace and quiet in the heart of London's financial hub? It is not impossible, particularly if you make a beeline for Crossrail Place. There, away from the hordes of stressed-out workers, you find the oasis of calm known as Crossrail Place Roof Garden, a rooftop garden with its own street food market. Crossrail Place roof garden is divided into hemispheres with east and west represented on different sides of the park. Australian ferns and American civet gums give way to Chinese bamboo and Chinese maples, meaning you can literally sort of walk across the globe. Perfect for a sunny lunchtime stroll. It's a beautiful little spot where funky geometric windows offer great views back over Canary Wharf. To be honest, it was expected given that the architects responsible also count the Gherkin, City Hall, and the British Museum's funky roof amongst their creations. The plants are just as pretty too, encompassing trees, shrubs, and flowers from all over the world. We are at Mudchute Park and Farm. You might be surprised to find a working home in the middle of the city, but Mudchute Park and Farm on the Isle of Dogs is just a stone's throw from Canary Wharf. Mudchute Park set in 32 acres of countryside in the heart of East London. The Mudchute is a community of charity with a working farm, stables, a children's nursery, and a wide range of education activities. They are open every day and free of charge. Just to the south of Canary Wharf, in the middle of the Isle of Dogs, is Mudchute Park and City Farm. This one of the largest city farms in Europe and the largest in London with 13 hectares of land. It is raised up over the surrounding area as it is made of the fertile soil excavated in the 19th century when the docks were constructed. Mudchute Park and Farm is open to the public and is a peaceful place to walk. There are great vistas with the views of Canary Wharf and Greenwich Park in the middle of distance.
I do other crazy things, trust me.
Set in 32 acres of countryside in the heart of East London,